I've lost contact, cashing with the 2x, because he... Am I one of the elves from Santa? I ran away from the factory here to spin the wheel. And here to bring the presents. Here for you! You see? 2x! Another top slot on Cash Hunt. Let's get it. Whoo! Another one. Another one. We're back here to Cash Hunt. Ready for the sauce. Let us make it happen. Okay, a lot of 75Xs, a lot of 10 7s, and a couple of 5s. 2X? Well, our best one is going to be 1,000X. You all ready? Hoping for the 1,000X? A decent chance to get 150X, perhaps as well. Let's get that 1,000X. Oh, wait. So yeah, I had one of my colleagues. We ended up losing contact, but he was from Italy, and he brought some really tasty chocolate that was originally Italian. It was like infused with oranges. Okay, time to decide. What are you gonna choose, everyone? It's all randomized. We're hunting for that 1,000X. Where the 1,000? Where the 1,000? Do you hear it? Do you hear it in the bushes somewhere? Very quiet. I'm hunting 1,000Xs. Where you at? 1,000X right there. We got 124 players with 1,000X. 284 with 150X. 100X for around 100 of you. 5,825 winners. Crazy with 16,000 euros and 1,000X. Crazy. That is an insane win right there.
But hold on. Make sure to play on and follow me. Well, welcome. Oh, music, I hope you're playing. Okay, 64 segments. Fill the doubles and multipliers there. Now everything gets multiplied by 7. Ooh, looks lovely. Oh, my heart beats fast. Okay, choose the flop we're going to play with. Green, blue, or yellow. Choose by yourself or let the choice being there on Hands of Destiny and how to pick. Anyways, your bet will return to you with a multipliers. Okay, I wish you to get doubles. There are up to 100x. Up to how many? 700x multipliers? Yeah, up to 700x. Good luck with a spin. Go get those doubles first of all. $350X on each of the flippers! Woo! Look what that 700
Video finished. The clock in the video is a Trolltime UTC-HS clock. How to compare the hours in this video. Open an internet search for world clocks and compare the hours on the video with the clocks in your country. Thank you.